Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra to the application. So firstly we should pairing them with our phone. So let's go to settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Then remove the headphones from the charging case, and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold the main buttons on your right one or left one earbud until you can see that LED light starts blinking blue and red. Let's go, we can see them, so click on it. Now hide the settings. And let's go to the application, click connect, if you have a bug that it can't find your headphones into the application, just remove your headphones from the phone and add it again. And then go to the application and it find it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.